Welcome to Syed Learning Kingdom. Hey there, friends. Have you ever had a tickle in your throat and suddenly, achoo! Oops, wait, that's a sneeze. I meant cough, cough. Coughing happens to all of us, but why? Well, let's find out. Coughing is like your body's superhero alarm. It helps keep your lungs and throat clear from things that don't belong there, like dust, germs, or even food that goes down the wrong way. Oops, imagine this. You're drinking juice, but whoops, some goes the wrong way. Your body goes, uh-oh, emergency, and cough, cough, out it comes. There are a few things that can make us cough. 1, germs. If we catch a cold, our body tries to kick those tiny troublemakers out. 2, dust or smoke. Sometimes the air has stuff we shouldn't breathe in, so our body says, nope, out you go. 3, laughing too hard. Ever laughed so much that you started coughing? It happens. If you have a little cough, don't worry. Here are some easy ways to feel better. Drink warm water or tea. Honey helps too. Take deep breaths and relax. Cover your mouth with your elbow when you cough. But if a cough lasts a long time or makes you feel sick, tell a grown-up. So, coughing isn't bad. It's our body's way of keeping us safe. Next time you cough, just remember, your body is being a superhero. Thanks for watching, friends. Stay happy, stay healthy, and see you next time.